So you're starting a project and you have to define your success. You start off by creating some type of goal. So once you've created your goal and you know what you're going to reach, you create some type of timeline. This timeline is going to be helpful because it lets you define where it is that you have to go and at what points and what stages you have to complete certain tasks. These tasks are going to be broken up into your KPIs, your key point indicators, and this is going to let you know how your progress is progressing. So once you have decided on what your KPIs are going to be, you then have to split that up into different activities. These activities or tasks are going to be the different steps you take to reaching these different KPIs. So once you have decided on what task you have, you then have the task of delegating to your different team members or different people in your team. Um, these tasks can have a variety of ranges from simple to more advanced things. Now, when it comes to delegating, you have to discuss with your team should they do something they are knowledgeable about or take risk. This is again up for discussion and should be implemented in different ways for different projects. So once you have delegated all your tasks to your different members, you are then in charge of educating your members because sometimes they just don't have the right skill sets or the right knowledge to do this. This is as much as their task as it is yours because you are ultimately the one responsible for all of this project going great. So either you can train them yourself, find someone to train them, or help them find the knowledge they will need. So once you have trained your members and they are completely able to then continue on and complete their projects, it is up to you to track your members. How it is that you track your members can be done in a variety of ways. Whether it is you create a list with the task and all the activities they have to accomplish, and as they are progressing, they check them off so that you can see the progression, or they come directly to you and tell you how it is going. This is up for debate, and you should discuss this with your team so that they feel comfortable and you feel comfortable doing it in the way that you choose. So everything has been done, you have had a successful project, and you've reached your goals. Great. Now what do? You have to make sure you do something called a follow-up. This follow-up is something that is done after your project has been successful or unsuccessful, depending on the activities. And you talk about how it is it went. You discuss this with your team and make sure that you guys feel you've done a great job.